Good day everyone, I am Michaela Jane Bibal and I will be introducing our topic, the Philippine Retirement Authority or PRA. Philippine Retirement Authority is a government-owned and controlled corporation created by the virtue of Executive Order No. 1037, signed by the former President Ferdinand E. Marcos on 4th of July 1985. Its purpose is to attract foreign nationals over 35 by offering permanent residency status in return for an investment of $50,000 for those who age 30 to 50, while $20,000 for those who age over 50. The role of the PRA via investment requirement is to develop and promote the Philippines as a retirement haven to accelerate the country's social and economic development.
Good day, I'm Diana Rose Talosa and I will be discussing the retirement option and their required time deposit. The first retirement option is yung with pension. Ito yung mga employees na nagkaroon na sila ng contribution through the deduction dun sa wage nila. Ano yun na yung pension nila. Ito yung mga 50 years old and above and nire-require sila mag-time deposit ng $10,000 na equivalent siya sa 585,000 pesos. Plus, yung monthly pension na $800 or yung equivalent siya sa 46,000 kapag single applicant. Pero kapag couple yung applicant, need nila ng monthly pension ng $1,000 or equivalent siya sa 58,000 pesos. The next retirement option is yung without pension. Without pension, pwede siya sa 35 to 49 years old na gusto nang mag-retire and need nila ng time deposit ng $50,000 or 2.9 million pesos. Yung amount ng time deposit na yun ay magsiserve as a investment nila, nakikita ng kanya dahil sa interest. If 50 years old and above naman na walang pension, need nila ng time deposit ng $20,000 or 1.1 million pesos. And if naman former Filipino citizens or yung pinanganak at lumaki sa Pilipinas pero sa ibang bansa nagtrabaho at naging citizens ng bansang pinagtatrabahuhan nila pero sa Pilipinas gusto mag-retire, need lang nila mag-time deposit ng $1,500 or 87,000 pesos. Kahit na ilang members pa yung dependents nila or kahit na ilang tao pa yung need nilang isupport financially. Pero sila ay need na maging at least 35 years old para sa option na ito.
Special Resident Retirees Visa, SRRV, ay isang special na visa na inaalok ng Philippine Retirement Authority para sa mga dayuhan at former Filipino citizens na gustong mag-retire at tumira sa Pilipinas. Ito ang mga importanteng detalye tungkol sa SRRB. Eligibility. Kailangan ay at least 35 years old para mag-apply. May iba't ibang financial requirements depende sa edad at SRRB type na ina-applyan. Types of SRRB. SRRB Smile, SRRB Classic, SRRB Human Touch, SRRB Courtesy, SRRB Expanded Courtesy. Benefits: multiple entry privileges, walang time restriction sa pagtira sa Pilipinas. Tax-free importation ng personal belongings hanggang 7,000. Exemption from paying the Philippine Bureau of Immigration. Discount privileges at access sa mga government offices and services. Requirements: valid passport, police clearance from home country or lost country of residence. Medical examination, certification of PRA, police clearance, photographs. Application process. Kumpletuhin ang application form. I-submit ang mga kinakailangan documents. Magdeposito ng required amount sa isang accredited bank. Magbayad ng processing at service fees. Maghintay ng approval mula sa PRA. Ang SRRB ay isang magandang option para sa mga gustong mag-retire sa isang magandang bansa tulad ng Pilipinas. Nagbibigay ito ng flexibility at maraming benefits para sa mga retirees.
So, hello, good day. I am Ainahit Bayani. So, Special Resident Retirees Visa or SRRV. So, the Special Resident Retirees Visa is issued by the Bureau of Immigration or BI of the Republic of the Philippines under the Retirement Program of the Philippine Retirement Authority or tinatawag nating PRA to foreigners and overseas Filipinos. So, it entitles the holder to multiple entry privileges with the right to stay permanently or indefinitely in the Philippines. So, the SRRV is a lifetime visa and its holders are exempt from Bureau of Immigration requirements. So, sinasabi nga dito, so when we say immigration, so syempre ito yung process of moving to one country na may intention tayo magstay or tumira dun sa isang lugar na yun. So, SRRV, it is for foreigners and overseas Filipinos. So, special non-immigrant visa for foreign nationals. So, this allows holder to enter the country multiple times and permanently na tumira nga dun sa isang lugar na yun. So, sa mga taong gusto mag-retire sa Pilipinas, pwede nila yun gawing second home or even an investment destination. So, isa din ang SRRV sa mga several option of retiring to the Philippines. So, if you need more info, just contact the PRA or what we call Philippine Retirement Authority. So, yung PRA naman, so sila yung nag-o-offer ng different SRRV options depending on the background and needs ng retiree applicants. So, it allows you to stay in the Philippines as long as you want and as long as the visa is valid. So, yung mga SRRV holders, pwede din sila ditong mag-work, study, or invest here in the Philippines. So, thank you.